Hello viewers, welcome to Global Information. Today I will talk about plague. Plague is an infectious disease that is caused by the bacteria Yersinia pestis. The symptoms are fever, weakness and headache. The symptoms appear 1 to 7 days after the exposure. There are three forms of the disease: bubonic form, pneumonic form and the septicemic form. Bubonic form is characterized by swelling of the lymph nodes. In septicemic form, there is tissue damage and the tissue turns black and die. And the pneumonic form, that is characterized by shortness of breath, cough and chest pain. Bubonic and septicemic plague are generally spread by the flea bite or handling of the infected animal. Pneumonic form is generally spread between the pupils through air via infectious droplets. Diagnosis is typically by finding the bacterium in the fluid of a lymph node, blood or sputum. Those exposed to a case of pneumonic plague may be treated with preventive medications. If infected, treatment is with antibiotics and supportive care. Globally, about 600 cases are reported a year. In 2017, the countries with the most cases include Democratic Republic of Congo, Madagascar, and Peru. In the United States, infections occasionally occur in rural areas where the bacteria are believed to circulate among the rodents. It has historically occurred in large outbreaks, with best known being in the Black Death in 14th century, which resulted in more than 50 million deaths. Now regarding the symptoms, when a flea bites a human and contaminated the wound with regurgitated blood, this bacteria can be infected. Yersinia pestis can reproduce inside a cell, so even if phagocytosed, then they will still survive. Once in the body, the bacteria can enter the lymphatic system, which drains the interstitial fluids. Yersinia pestis spreads through the lymphatic vessels of the infected human until it reaches a lymph node, where it causes acute lymphadenitis. That means there is inflammation and swelling of that lymph nodes, and these inflamed and swelled up lymph nodes are known as buboes, and this is the bubonic form of plague. The pneumonic form of the plague arises from the infection of the lung. It causes coughing and thereby produces airborne droplets that contain the bacterial cells and are likely to infect anyone inhaling them. The incubation period for pneumonic plague is short, usually 2 to 4 days, but sometimes just a few hours. The initial signs are indistinguishable from several other respiratory illnesses. They include headache, weakness, and spitting or vomiting of blood. The course of the disease is rapid unless diagnosed and treated soon enough. Typically within a few hours, death may follow in 1 to 6 days.